welcome back. I'm Miriam, and today I have another Essential Rewards unboxing from Young Living. So here's my box, and of course, as always, I have the Essential Edge, bubble wrap. So what's cool is say thanks, free product. So I have, because I've been an Essential Rewards customer for I think 9 months now, I've gotten a free oil. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to take everything out and then I'll show you the products. Okay, just holding my camera here since I don't have a tripod yet. So anyway, first I'll say my loyalty gift for being 9 months is this tea tree oil. I use tea tree oil, and so I'm happy to get another one. And then I got 2 bottles of Christmas Spirit. If you watch my last haul, I got Christmas Spirit. Well, anyway, they only sell them in these small bottles. I loved it so much. This is definitely what I'm going to be diffusing like all December, probably starting November. So anyway, I wanted to make sure I had enough. And then also, if I make gifts for people, I can scent them with Christmas Spirit. And last of all, I got this Thieves laundry detergent. I really like Thieves laundry detergent. I like Thieves everything. But anyway, this has been working great on getting our clothes super clean. And so I think I'm only halfway through my first bottle. So, but I don't want to run out. Like, what if I run out? So anyway, I got another one just so I don't run out. It's good to have an extra on hand. So this was a really tiny haul this month, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye. So I decided to include my September unboxing as well. So here it goes. To be honest, I haven't even read the last one. So anyway. Here's the next Essential Edge. This is also a small haul I got. So I got the Mighty Bites. This is the kids' multivitamin. My kids have used this before. They prefer another brand of vitamins that have little fun animal shapes. But the downside to the other ones are that they have folic acid in there instead of the naturally derived folate. So this supplement has naturally derived folate. And I mean, there's other differences too, but that's a big reason why I decided to go with this one again. I got more of the dishwasher powder. I got a bag of this as a freebie, and I hardly use my dishwasher. Anyway, recently I've been running my dishwasher almost every day. So I use half a scoop of this powder, plus I add a little bit of baking soda to my dishwasher to just like help make this last a little longer. But anyway, I want to get backups because I don't know exactly how many, like loads, because it says to use 1 scoop of this, but it doesn't say how many scoops or how many loads are in here. So anyway, yeah, so I don't know. I've been using my other one for a while now, so I would say that this might be like a 2-month supply, maybe 1 month if you're using a full scoop or more. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm using half a scoop and I still have quite a bit left in my other one. Next one is more of the toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. My husband and I both use it. And this is the cheapest of the 3 different Thieves toothpaste that Young Living has. I've heard that the consistency is different with the other ones. So this one's a little more runny. But anyway, I like it. I haven't tried the other ones. Eventually I will. I got a promo oil This is Clove Vitality. I'm excited for this one. Vitality oils are labeled for dietary use, and so it's exciting for me to be able to try this one. And then the other one that I'm got is Endoflex. So anyway, I'm excited about trying out Endoflex this month. My upline leader is having us all use Endoflex for like a month. It's like a challenge. And anyway, I'm joining the challenge and using Endoflex every day for a whole month. So I'm excited to start it, maybe tonight. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed these 2 hauls, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.